Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. A very good friend of mine. Well, I asked her for it. I asked her, she posted on Facebook, help with a fingerprint. The one she sent me, I just can't do anything with it. It's it's a high JPEG, but it's pixelized so much. And the one thing about fingerprints, every single one of them not only looks different, which is the case of a fingerprint, but will trace differently. So this particular video will help a few people, but it might not work on your fingerprint. So I'm going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace, Clipart. And it's already got a transparent background, but I'm going to kind of hopefully show you the problem with it and move this out of the way. And I don't know why that did that. In the first, matter of fact, the first time I did this, see, it's even different, and I just got through doing it. Trace bitmap, outline trace, clip art. This time I'm going to remove, this will be grayed out, and in just a second when it gets through done, go remove from image. So it's going to take away that white background that is in there. Now I don't know if I want to continue the video and just delete it. Okay, here we go. We got a little bit of gray matter. And in this particular case, that's the only one I see. So that's like a no-no. So I was hoping my other one had a lot. So there's two ways you can get rid of that. We can click on our item, go up to object, order, or group and ungroup it. And you can grab that little piece of gray matter. Now I probably won't be able to find, there it is. And you can delete it. Okay, or you could make it black. And as long as you're using the same color, it won't really matter. I suggest not doing that. So what I'm going to do in this particular case, all the black lines aren't joined. So let me get this out of the way for a second. Well, matter of fact, I'm going to, you know what? Here's a good lesson. Go make a copy of it and then delete it. Then take this one and select it all. Well, matter of fact, we're going to zoom in and we'll make sure we get a black. Whoop, I had my smart wheel picked. So I've got, well, okay, there's another little gray point. So this will help. I'm going to go to edit, find and replace from selection, because I've got black selected down here, find all, and then I'm going to Control G to group them together. Then I can click off of it and grab the black, and there's the four objects that it cleaned up. So then just delete them. Now this is a group now, but if we look now, here's that trick now, not a trick. I'm going to right click and paste, and it brought that fingerprint back in. But look at the difference. The one I've cleaned up a little bit and the one I have not cleaned up a little bit. It's got, and see, this is even totally different than what I just did. But see these jumpy parts, which could be part of the real fingerprint. But I'm going to grab the shape tool and I'm going to grab the smoothing tool. You don't want it too large and you want to set your rate pretty low. And let me zoom in here. Then just take your smoothing tool, click on your item, and then just move pretty fast. If you stay on it too long, so you could just go back and forth like you're washing a window. And I'm going to do half of it and we'll look at the difference. And you can almost see a tint left behind. So I think I'm done with this. Let's look at it and see you've got some smooth parts versus kind of rough parts. So the smoothing tool, I think, started in 18. Now you got to click on your item, but look at that. And the first time I did this for the one I have right there, it was really jagged. So that's a pretty nice looking fingerprint. And you could change, of course, if it's in this particular case, the one she sent me, it might be somebody's real fingerprint that they want to duplicate. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.